Hello everyone, today I'm going to be doing a pack with me kind of video. I'm going on holiday tomorrow. I'm just going to England, it's nowhere like really far. But I'm going for a week, so I was like, this will be fun if I took you to pack with me, I guess. Basically, I'm like the worst at packing. I'm like, I need a completely new different outfit every day. I know I could rewear stuff, but like, it's just not how I roll. So yeah, I'm gonna show you me packing. Also, can we just appreciate that I've got my hair up and I never ever wear my hair up because I look like an egg. I'm gonna pair like stuff together and then make a pile. I don't know if you can see me. I don't know how people do these videos. So I'm gonna lay out, oh, I really should have tidied my room first. I'm gonna lay out like trousers first, I think. And then match tops. That's my thinking so far. See, the issue with going on holiday in the UK is that it could either be pouring down with rain or be like crazy sunny and you will never know. So you basically just have to be prepared for everything. I literally don't want to do this. Okay, so I've currently chosen 4 pairs of trousers, but I may have to add more later, I'm not sure, but that's what we're sticking with right now. I just had a realisation that 2 of the days are travelling days, so I'm gonna just like wear leggings both those days. So I've got 5 pairs of trousers now, which is like 1 for every day, but it's alright. I'm not gonna have enough space in my suitcase, but I'm gonna do it anyway. Also, like, don't judge me for that. I got it when I was really young, okay, and it's cute. I'm gonna close my door. I feel as though I'm gonna regret bringing like nice outfits every day, but there's no slacking. Okay, I realised I'm bad at maths and need 6 nice outfits, not 5. Okay, so I think I have my outfits. However, my issue is like our family holidays are like walking holidays and these outfits just probably are not very appropriate for the holiday. Okay, so I decided I'm gonna go into makeup and leave the clothes for a bit because I just really can't do it. What I do is I'll like go through my whole like routine, if that makes sense. So like I'll start with like face, like what I would do normally, and then pack it like that so that I don't forget anything, but I usually end up forgetting stuff anyway, so it doesn't really work. Can't find anything. The only issue with packing stuff for like a whole week is what if I decide like I want to do something crazy one day. I don't have the materials to do so. That's why I always end up overpacking everything. I also really need to pack my shoes. Like, I just don't know what to bring. Because, like, these shoes are my favourite shoes. But look at them. Like, I wore these out on St. Paddy's Day. And it has, like, they just smell of alcohol. I think that's all my makeup packed now. But I think I might leave this video until tomorrow. Because it's just taken too much out of me today. My mum will probably yell at me if I don't finish packing tonight. Hi everyone, so as expected I gave up yesterday. I also made the mistake of, I was out last night, came home, all of my clothes were neatly placed on my bed so that I could pack them easily today, and then I threw them all on the floor. So now I have to re-sort everything. I've only put underwear in my suitcase and it's very like full, so we're struggling. Okay, now the moment of truth. Will this close? I highly doubt it. I'm gonna have to take out some stuff, I think. Okay, so the next thing I'm doing is packing like an extra bag. This bag, I wrote a list actually on my phone. Okay, so I need my laptop and my laptop charger. Makeup. Okay. Next I've got my hairbrush, my deodorant and moisturiser, lip balm, etc, etc. What else? This is going well, I think. I'm really on track. I'm gonna bring some books, so Jane Eyre, The Girls of Slender Means, and Call Me By Your Name, because I don't know how much reading I'm gonna do and I don't want to run out. I really feel as though I'm missing something, but I just can't think of what. I'm gonna leave this bag at the moment and go on to my smaller bag. So I'm just gonna bring this with me to like carry around when I go out places. Earrings. Got my perfume in here as well, I think, I hope. If I don't, then I don't know where it is. I really want to take my dressing gown, but I can barely even fit like socks in my suitcase. So I'm gonna end this video now because I don't know if I want to bring my camera or not, but I'll need to take my SD card so I can edit. Sorry if it was a wee bit of a mess. I just don't really know what I'm taking, but I hope you guys have enjoyed it anyway, and I'll see you in my next video.